You already guessed the intent of the today's video, but if you haven't, then this is TeamTrees and we're going to discuss a little bit about it and how it works. So this is Subrat and you are watching Fun and Heuristics on this channel. Okay, we will say all these things in separate video. This is video only meant for TeamTrees. First, I will going to explain a little bit about it. So the main goal of TeamTree is to plant 20 million trees before January 1st, 2020. That means next 2 months or 1 month, depends on when you are watching the video. Currently we have already reached to 16 million. So if you refresh, you can see the number counts and it's increasing. Okay, so you can donate some trees here, like you can go for 5 tree, 20 tree, 50 tree, 100 tree, or you can give some amount like 12 tree or something according to want. So here $1 is same as a tree. So if you give $1 to teamtrees.org, so they are going to plant a tree. So they are planting the tree on the forest area, so which a tree can grow and which can give the maximum oxygen to the environment. So you know all the science behind it. So this thing is started by Mr. Beast. So he got a challenge from his fans, from us, to plant 20 million tree before 2020. They tried, but 20 million is a very big number. So it's impossible for a single organization, not organization, single person to plant this many trees. So this happened. I'm not asking you to donate 100 tree or 200 tree or 1,000 trees. So how much is possible? You can donate to that and you can save the planet. I mean, 20 million trees not enough for the world, how the world is currently right now. And you can see the pollution happening over the world. And as I'm from India, I know what's happening in Delhi, what's happening in Bangalore, in or other places. So we from Indian point of view, I'm saying we need lots of trees. 2 or 3 foundations here, they are also trying to do, like one I know about ISA Foundation, and some others they are planted a lot of tree. I think they also have a Guinness Book of World Record. So I don't know that much about that. So today's video is about TeamTrees. So please help how much as you can, or if you can't, like if you have sort of money you can donate, then plant a tree. So just buy a tree and just plant it somewhere. It's better if you can buy a bigger tree. Like bigger tree means tree which will grow bigger, and by after plantation take a little care of it so that it can grow. So as this is a programming channel, we will see how these guys are handling their website. Okay, not a pretty detailed way, because I don't want this video to be very big. So okay, we'll go to the console here. Now we will go to the network and I will refresh the page. So we got a lot of things. Okay, so just we'll focus on only one thing here, that is teamtree.org. Here you can see we got the whole HTML. What I meant to say is this is completely server-side rendered. That means, and again I may be wrong, but what I guessed from the response I got from the teamtree.org. So here you can see what is server-side rendering. So okay, so when we requested teamtree.org, we got the whole HTML from the server. Okay, so that means everything is rendered like created in the server and served to us. But if you think about what you are doing in Angular, we will get only a small chunk of data. I will show you that one. So suppose we'll go and hit ng-serve here, and if you go and try to search this one, we got the number as a data count. Okay, so everything, all the how much trees is planted, how much trees are, so all the data we are getting as a pre-render HTML, pre-generated HTML from the server. So that's is completely server-side rendering. In the feature video, We'll also going to discuss how you can do server-side rendering for Angular as well. So that is Angular Universal. We're going to discuss all about that. So you can see it starts from 0 and it's animating a little bit here. This is something I have created. So we'll go to the inspect. We'll go to the view page source. Then we'll see we have the Angular code only, and this thing will run by the JavaScript. But this is not the case in the teamtree.org. Okay, so if you go to the view page source, you can see the whole HTML that is there. So it is completely server-side render. That's what I meant to say. But I'll show you, I will show you how you're gonna create this number with some little animation, not the same they are doing, but some different way. So I will just copy paste the method. So I already written the method here. So for lack of time, I'm doing this. Okay. So what it will do, it will check the tree count and it will check if the number which I've initialized as a 0, and will check the if number is less than tree count, then what we are doing is we are increasing the number with a random value from 100,000 to 1000. Okay, so it will increase in between them, so we will feel a kind of an animation effect there. Then we are calling request animation frame to increase the number so that it will not block the your main thing, main thread, and if that reach the value, we are assigning that to a tree count. We'll go to the on init and we will call this number. Okay, so we'll copy this one. So this dot number, and I remove all the code here. So we will now only focus here. So if you hit refresh, we'll see this the counter is increasing, and that's happening all due to the random value provided. So this is a small thing. It's not a pretty good thing, but it's fun to do. And by giving a number pipe, you will get this commas. So that's it for today. So today the intent is donate as much as you can, as much as you want to teamtrees.org, and if you can, then just plant some trees and save our planet. So please share this video so that everybody will get to know about TeamTrees and someone can donate. Please share this video to whom you think they can donate more trees so that we'll reach the goal as fast as possible. So it's all for this time. We're going to meet in the next time. So till that, stay happy. Bye bye.